Welcome back, everybody. So here is a look at my aluminum differential casing, then the drive shaft with the ring gear, a bearing, and a bearing, and then these. So I've had nothing but problems from this rear differential. On the other hand, I have had zero problems out of the front differential. Zero. Absolutely no problems at all. I took it apart. I re-lubricated it before test driving it. I've had no issues at all. As you can tell by the gears there, they are slightly worn. I've gotten about 3 test drives, and only one of the 3 test drives was of somewhat significant, meaning I actually mashed the throttle all the way, or a wide open throttle, to try and get a wheelie where the front tires pull up off the ground. And I've come to the conclusion that this casing is just not square. It's not straight or something. And I can show that to you right here. I mean, I can't prove it because I don't have the specific equipment, but as you can see, it rotates freely, right? But that's because it came out of the bearing slot. Push it back down. And there we go. It rolls over. It rolls over. There's something binding this thing. I mean, it gets to a certain point. It should automatic. If this is free floating, that differential case should fall over, but it's not. And as you can see right here, even by this silver that you can see there that I've removed, it's not the bearings that are in a bind because I've removed the material. And I've done the same, although you can't see it, I've done the same on the other half of this differential. Something is just not straight. This might be at a very, very slight bend from point A to point B. I don't know what. But this is very cheap Chinese made crap. And evidently here in the United States, we don't know how to make ball bearings. We don't know how to CNC aluminum. We don't know how to make gears. And we definitely don't know how to make RC cars or electronic equipment that goes inside of them. We need the Chinese to be able to do all that shit for us, which makes me think, how the fuck is it we can put a cruise missile within 1 meter of a target at 300 miles away? How is that even fucking possible? Come on now, is the American business model really to go to school, develop a successful product like a phone, have it made in China, and send it back to the United States and hope that somebody at McDonald's buys it? That is crazy. Absolutely crazy. We cannot make something like this. We are so dependent upon the Chinese to even manufacture drugs, pharmaceuticals for us. This is ridiculous. I can't even exploit my own creative abilities because the product doesn't meet my expectations. But anyway, that's where I am at currently with my WPL mini monster truck. I'm going to give it one more go. I'm going to continue to remove material or add material where I think it's needed. If it doesn't work out, then I'm going to get some portal axles, like I said before in a previous video, and turn it into a crawler, paint everything black, and call it done. It is what it is. Definitely disappointing that we can't make anything here in the United States. That's for sure.